Let's take a look at some of the formula auditing tools, starting with how you can show formulas. You might want to be able to see every single cell in your worksheet that has a formula in it, rather than having to click on each individual cell and looking in the formula bar. Two ways we could do this, all right, very simple. One is I'm going to go to the Formulas tab in the ribbon. If I look over to the right here, I see Show Formulas. All right, I can go ahead and click on that. It's going to go ahead and expand and show all my formulas in my cells. Okay. I can turn that off by clicking Show Formulas again. I can also do this using the keyboard shortcut of Control tilde. Control tilde, the little wavy line in the upper left-hand corner of your keyboard. So I'm holding Control, hitting my tilde, same exact thing. I can show or I can hide my formulas.